France has tested an engine prototype for the new generation fighter, NGF, which is being developed with Germany and Spain as part of the larger Future Combat Air System, FCAS, Système de Combat Aérien Futur, SCAF. On January 10, 2022, the French defense company reported that a prototype engine under the Touraine program had successfully passed ground tests. The ground test utilized a power plant adapted from the Snecma M88, which is now installed on the Dassault Rafale fighter. At the end of 2021, the Directorate General of Armaments, DGA, completed major tests for the development of the next engine of the SCAF, FCAS, fighter aircraft, NGF, as part of the Touraine Defense Technology project led by DGA. A prototype derived from the Rafale fighter jet engine was tested on the test bench, said DGA. The new engine is expected to have more thrust than the Rafale and Eurofighter Typhoon. So the new aircraft effectively replace these two fighter jets in the long run. However, keep in mind that higher thrust means higher temperatures. Reporting from the Eurasian Times, the adamant acceleration of the development of alloys and multi-layer systems for application to new turbines research project was announced by the French Ministry of Armed Forces last year. It brings together the Ministry of Procurement and Innovation Agency, DGA, France's National Aviation Research Centre, ONERA, and Safran, the French engine manufacturer. After that, France's Safran Aircraft Engines, Germany's MTU Aero Engines, and Spain's ITP Aero reached an overall agreement on the development, production, and support of a combined engine for the next generation fighter, NGF, to run the FCAS program. The sixth-generation fighter jet will require more powerful engines than its predecessors, according to the French Ministry of the Armed Forces. The higher the thrust, the higher the temperature. At the turbine inlet, temperatures may exceed 2100 Kelvin, 1826.85 degrees Celsius, which is 250 Kelvin, 250 degrees Celsius, hotter than the M88. Such circumstances are beyond the current material capabilities, the French ministry had previously stated at the start of the engine program. Furthermore, Safran's Director of Research, Technology and Innovation, Stéphane Quay, has previously highlighted the progress required to produce improved engines for the FCAS fighter.